How's it going, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how you can actually work Kodi and how you can watch all the news you want from all over the nation. So, let's get into it. The first thing you want to do when you get to Kodi is you want to scroll down. Movies should be highlighted, but you just want to go down until you see add-ons. Click it. Go to video add-ons, and news on should be installed. So just click that. Wait for it to load. Go down to newscasts. And here you can just pick your state. I'm going to go down to Texas. And just look for your city or near where you are. So let's say I'm in Houston. So I'm just gonna look for Houston. So alright, right here is Houston. This is the only channel that is on right now. If another channel comes on later on, it'll just update to the list. And also you can see, like, on the left, this one says ABC 13. They also have like other channels, like, as you can see, and whenever they go live, then you can watch them. So I'm just gonna hit Houston and wait for it to load. If it shows this screen, then either it is on commercial break right now, or the news isn't on right now, so you'll just have to wait till a later time to watch the news. Alright, now just go back on your remote, and just to show, we're gonna click on something else. Let's see, let's just go here.
That face win. You guys could do it over there.
Yes.
So make that face, Tori, when you're up for an Oscar, but of course you lose. Let me see your face.
I was so excited for a compliment. That's amazing. Let's make a face that we miss Jeff. Ready? 1, 2, 3. That was weird.
We miss you, brother.
We miss you.
Travel
so much,
safe, my friend.
Alright, so as you can see, the news is playing, and again, you can do this in any state. You can, there's everything here, so like, I don't know, Connecticut, so just click on it, and if it doesn't load like that, then you can either try again, and if it doesn't load a second time, that means that it is not on right now and they just haven't updated it. So the list should update pretty frequently. Alright guys, that is all for my Kodi tutorial. If you have any more questions, contact me on my email. I'll leave it down in the description, or you can leave a comment. Other than that, have a good day,